hello. Hello, good evening. The Vera TV program. Oh yes, I greet you, not too much, not so much. No time to check things, so gonna share, invite your friends, share. So now so more the stuff we go, yeah, no? My topic did there for today program, so now so for 5 years. More the stuff we go, now so my topic did there is hook-up program. So if you don't feel ready, let's go there. Happy Sunday. Yes, one of the share matters a lot, you know. One of the share. Good afternoon, everyone. I greet my people. I greet my viewers. I greet all my fans. I greet everybody, men, women on my platform. I greet you all so much. Yeah. So you know. So yes. So I'm gonna share most of the go, you know. My topic did for today now hookup program for men, women, boys, girls. So be say you ready for hookup. So hookup program is my topic for today. Yes, so let's go there. So I beg, if today na your first time, beg not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If today na your first time seeing my video, like my page so that anytime when I do a live video, you know when I take do my live video about hookup program. So no time to check time when I share, invite your friends, so move they go, you know. So my number there in case if you want call, you can call in. It's there on WhatsApp. You can call him anytime. Add me on that number, is on WhatsApp. So no time to check time, not there the shame put, you know. Anywhere you there for Europe, anywhere you know say you there, you can call Vera TV program is for hookup, you know. As far you know say you serious, you ready, you understand. So not there the shame put, you understand me. So share and invite your friends. So let's go there. No time to check time. So I greet you, not too much. Now so to 5 years, don't start now. So one of the share, one of the invite my friends. So most of the go. Oh yes, yeah. I greet you, not too much. So now so for the hookup program, I get women, men, boku, depends on the age and where you dey, you know. As far as physics, others I feel they talk and before I say they do it before I'm not change them. So that's why I say they do it. So if you want to send me your details, not just go there, write me hi. No, I don't reply that, you know. I go block at the block where you know not my fault, because I don't need people who not ready, I don't need people who not serious. So if you don't say you're ready today, it's hookup program, you can join us. If you know say you serious, you need your real life partner, what you need to do, add me on WhatsApp. If you add me on WhatsApp, write your details, your name, your age, where you live, if you get picked before, yes or no, write it there. You understand? So you write everything for me, so I go feel reply you. Not be say you go just go there, go write hi this. I not get that time, you know. I get many people. So now people when ready now, they still they I agree to Sandra. I agree to. Oh yes. Someone at the share matters a lot. Not be to just wash, come out, you know. Share. Many people need them, I understand. So I dey try my best for people. Although, good evening. I greet everybody on my platform right now. This Vera TV program. So most of you go. Yes. I greet you. Not too much, you know. I greet you. So most of you go. Share add me on that number. I beg, if you're not ready, no bother to add me. I don't want to disturb. Happy Sunday to you all. Happy Sunday, first Sunday of the month. I greet you now. Happy Sunday. So now, so I beg, if you're not ready, no bother to add me on WhatsApp. I beg you in the name of God. No add me because I dey block. Many people say why you dey block. I go block because I don't want to disturb. I don't want to not ready for my platform. No. So I need people when be say they're serious. You know. You understand? Hello. I greet you. So yeah, so long time. Yeah. Now, so last week Sunday I supposed to do on my live video, but although I was so busy, they be like that sometimes, So that is it. I beg, if you know say you ready, you can add me on WhatsApp. Happy weekend. I greet you. Happy weekend. I greet you now, Joanne. I greet you too much. God bless. I greet you, Prince. I greet you. Happy weekend to you. I greet you. Yes. Oh, message. Wow. Okay. And so I greet you now Canada. I get for Canada. I get for UK too. I have many people there too, everywhere. Netherlands, France, Spain, Germany, Holland, Italy, everywhere. Go reach Dubai. You understand? I take call and so I take get am. So if you know say you ready, you need your real life partner, you can add me on WhatsApp. That number, the number did. I beg, wanna see they subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? Please subscribe. So now make me put the link for there so that anytime you want to subscribe, it go dey easy for you. Sometimes people say they check my name, I don't know why, but let me just put the link here now so that if you click am, it will just go bam, just go away. So I just enter and I'm gonna share matters a lot. Mona dey share myself with the goals about hook up. If this is your first time, I write them there, although many people still ask what is the topic, Today na hook up for both men and women. When you're ready, when you're serious, go to Switzerland, Sweden, I get many people there. So if you know say you're ready, depends on how you turn it down and depends on how you take go, As far as two, one if go see the other one. So I did do my hook up. Not before call, only phone call. No, I don't do that. I don't do only phone call. No. Okay, you message me on WhatsApp. Okay, I don't message on WhatsApp. No reply. Why? Maybe I'm so busy, Sometimes it's like that. Yes. Sometimes it be like that because I did busy throughout since. So now I just start them again. And for those people who just they add me for WhatsApp since then, when I not to enter live video last week, many people they call today now I get chance try this week they go, many people when he writes me for WhatsApp, I go reply today. And for those when I want to hook up today, you understand, like today Sunday now I will still hook like two people up, now so take the do am. No time to check time. Now WhatsApp after they do my hook up, not before Facebook. I always come out for Facebook to talk about that. For those people when they say they never still know, they will follow up and they will still say yes, I did do am. You can see my face, I'm not fake. You understand? But why they talk and say I need serious people? I don't need people who know already when they use the call, they disturb. I call no. When you call me, you don't send me your full details, you don't send me your 3 different pictures. Not be you go just stand, just snap only 2 or how many pictures you go stamp. You go they expect to make a reply you no. Send me your 3 different pictures when you first stand. So we just sit down, just send only the picture, the same picture one. No, not be so. I know they collect picture when you first sit down. You need to stand. No. Send you picture. You're supposed to see who you want hook up with. You go stand. You go say and what's okay. I like her. You like her. If I send you woman picture when you for not sit down, you said go guys sit down. So still be for men too. So now the both side. So now so I take the do or 3 different pictures of details. If you correct, I'm actually reply you. If I never reply you, say depends on how you tell me that some it still be age. Some age you get as it be, You when you date 30, if you say me I hook you up with 50 something, and full some will say okay, make the age go higher down. You understand? Make the age go up down down. You understand me? So now so I take the do and not be to just say just the do like that. No. The girls I take the do when they follow up. You understand? Now Germany you do France, you do Italy, So far na fit see, I no get problem. Go reach UK, go reach Canada, from Italy to UK, Canada, America, you know. So far na fit see. Na me dey do, not be to just hook person up. You understand? Not be to just hook person up at the end. Na just only phone call, hello, hi. I know they do. If you are that kind of person, don't bother. And two, send your picture. You go, they ask me which picture. Send your picture on WhatsApp. Okay, I will reply you later, not now. Okay, just send your full details there. When I enter my WhatsApp, I go reply you as far as you send your full details. If you don't send your full details, please, I don't have that time to reply you. Okay, I block. If I check my WhatsApp, you not send me your full details as I need them, I block you. I report I self block you. Know if you add me on WhatsApp, because I need people who serious. I want to see people when be say they ready. Not people who not serious. Not be people when be say that use they want to disturb us. I have time when I tell the pick up. And let me tell you this, I get when I tell the pick up. Not just say hey go. I have kids. And I get many things to do. You know. And not yours, you know, if you call me immediately, you call me. If I see your call, I'm less busy, I can call you. You understand? Not be to just call. What I need most is your full details. When you send me your full details, I can send the one I get. When I check my phone, check my book, the one when you follow, depends. I take send me the details, then I will send you pictures. And two, now only 2 pictures I will send. If you be man, you be woman. Send you 2 pictures. For the two. For woman, for the 2, you check and the one you like, you choose one for the different pictures when I send for you for man and for woman. So I tell they do. If you pass that one, not get the one I want send for you. And they talk, because many people send the picture, the select. They're not gonna know the right one to choose again. Both is also men and women, not be only men. Men and women, they do them like that. So I don't decide to say now 2 pictures I will send you. You know, when you see 2 things, you need to know the one you like and the one you don't like. Choose one for the 2. Your mind must surely go for one. Okay, this one is okay for me, then you go for it. Not the one send you different picture. I don't do that anymore. Not on my platform again. I don't do that. So as I talk the constant, as far as you send me your full details, I go reply you. Not to call. And if I call you, it's okay. See, or I send you voice note, you not reply me. People boku, my dear, I not feel wait for you. As I all check on, I see say you not call me and you not reply my message. You understand? I don't can work with another person, so I not get that time to waste. I not get that time to waste at all. So most of they go no time to check time. If you know, so you add me on WhatsApp. When I throw on my live video, I go reply you. Send me your full details. Anywhere you know say you dey Italy, you dey France, you dey Germany, you dey anywhere you know say you dey. You understand? Even for Africa, I still get. So if you be man, when be say you need for Africa, tell me. I go hook you up there. If na single girl, even for Dubai, I get for there. You understand? I get for Kenya, I get for Ghana, all those places I get. You understand me? If you need for that side as a man, contact Vera TV program. I will hook you up with a real life partner. Okay, so that is how I do it. So as far as you are serious, I don't have problem with you. And as I tell you, don't be this, I don't do free hookup anymore. Okay, because many people know they take am serious. Many people know they ready. If I tell you before I release the woman number for you, I'll tell you how they do, and also with the women too. You understand? It's for the both sides, not only for the men. You know, you as a woman, you need man, you need to do something. You as a woman, you need man, you need to do something. You as a man, you need woman, you have to do something. Before I release that number for you. If you don't, I don't give you that number. Okay. So now, so I tell they do my hookup program, and I need people when you're ready. I need people when you're serious. Not be say you work out everywhere, but then send a Vera TV program, they come, they find hookup, or they find woman when you want sleep with. In 1 or 2 days or 3 days. No, I don't do that. And don't play with me with that. If you be man or you be boy, not come my platform for that kind of thing. I don't need them. I just got to beg you. So now, so I tell the do. Okay. You understand me? So now, so I tell the do. I beg, not call use your call till they disturb me. I need woman. Whereas you not serious, whereas you not ready, you serious at all. When they use don't tell they disturb me, maybe they talk say, I beg go. Besides, I talk to they talk now. I beg, don't bother. With many when they do hook up, right? With plenty, where. So I beg you will go front and not they do that kind of one. And they do for people when be say they're serious for good relationship that will lead to marriage. Yeah. Not be the one wey be say the find woman up and down, you not see toast for road, you see na Vera TV program you dey come. No, I don't do that. Okay, so now, so if you know say you need for Kenya, say Kenya, for Canada, I get people there for Canada. For UK, I have about 3 ladies there. 2 say they need for UK for there. 1 say need for Europe, you understand? As far as serious person when you ready, as far as person when is serious, you no get problem with that person. So anytime, any day, you ready for that one, you know. So it's very, very good. And if you know say you ready, you dey UK, you need for there too. Correct. Thank you very much. You understand? So if you know say you dey UK, you need for UK there, you let me know. I get single lady there and woman wey still get baby. So get 2. The other one get 3. Yeah. For Canada too, I still get 2 for Canada. 1 get 2, 1 get 1 woman for Canada. So the place when I forget now be this Italy. I get 2 single girls. I still get women when you get baby. Even for Germany here, I get the one we get baby. I still get the one we get 1. I get the one we get 3. I get the one we get 4 for Germany here. So for Holland and so, you understand, depends on how it need, and from depends as a title need the age 45, you understand, your age still go up, still hook you up. If now for this place Switzerland too, I get for there. Okay, if now Switzerland too, I get for there, you understand. So so let's go there, agree to all. So now, so no time to check time. Most of you go. I just enter now. So I'm gonna invite my friends, invite friends. Most of you go. Today is about hookup program. If you know say you ready, add me on WhatsApp. Add me on my WhatsApp. Then we'll talk. If you know say you ready, before we talk, send me your full details. If you know so okay, you serious. If you're not serious, don't bother to send me your. Don't bother to add me on WhatsApp. That is it. Yes. Most of you go. No time to check time. I agree to all. Oh yes. Oh yes. Okay. Yes. So today is hookup program. Happy Sunday. Okay, you dey UK. Not be for people who are not serious, and for people who are ready. Not be for people who are not serious. I don't have that time. Okay. Yes. I just enter now. So most of you go. No time to check time. Let's go there. Yeah. I'm on the 2 for live video again. Yes. You know, I get many people. I get 2 people to hook up today. Well. So now so. Now for people when it's serious, you can see I not be fake, I not be wuru. Now me they talk. If you be person when be say you're not ready, not bother to come my platform. I beg you with the name of God. Don't bother yourself, not just worry about it at all, because I don't have time for talk or But for people when you're ready, when you send me your details, I will surely reply you, or I call you. And so you will call them, they're not going to call you back. Now those kind of people, if I understand say be that kind of person, now to block you, I will just block you. You understand? If you like, they just say she they block. Yes, so I they block you for Facebook. You comment what I don't understand, I block you because I don't have that time, you know. You understand? So I agree to all. So let's go there. So now so when you add me on WhatsApp, I go reply you. You understand? So I'm not too happy Sunday, guys. Happy Sunday to you. Happy Sunday. So when the share matters a lot, you know, so that many people will see, you understand? So hookup program. So my link did there for YouTube. I beg, if this is your first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, if this is your first time seeing me, like my page so that anytime I'm on live video, you will know when I take to do my live video, you know. Still share around. You understand? People in there around you, 50 see, you know. Share matters a lot, not be to watch to come out. No, because use your call till they disturb me. I don't get that time. Not use your call until they disturb me. I don't have that time. Please, you understand? Now, so you understand me now. So it's good when you still subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now only once, not be, you understand. If you subscribe, you don't subscribe. Anytime I upload video there, you go see her. You understand? For my page too. When you like my page, anytime I'm on live video, you go know when I take the live video. So now, so I agree to that. Not too much, not too much, not too much. Yes. So please, who be this one? Oh, Sarah, I beg, I don't hook woman and woman up, okay? If you are looking for a woman like you can go to Facebook and look for a woman like you, okay? I don't do lesbian here. I don't hook women up, woman to woman up, okay? Go to Facebook, go and look for a woman like you. Don't disturb me on my this thing, or I block you. When you comment rubbish comment, I block your head forever. Okay, go to Facebook, go and look for a woman like you. So my own here is to hook men and women up, is for hookup program for those when be say they're ready, not before people when not ready, not before lesbian issue. Okay, go to Facebook, go and look for beautiful woman, as you said, for yourself. That is it. You understand? If you be man, I need man when it's serious. If you be woman, I need women when they do my platform, though they're ready. You understand? Many men, I need hook up. They're not ready. At the end of it, say our women. I beg, if you be that kind of person, don't bother to come my platform. You understand me? If you know say not ready, stay your house. They're not the first person. You can say I don't force people. And if I send you 2 pictures for woman, you know, like I not get to that one, I send you. You can go to another platform, go and search for yourself, or go to Facebook. You can see yourself. That will be better for you. You understand me? Because I don't have that time to waste at all. You understand me? So those places when be say I call, so if you know say you need for there, your age, in Masham, and if not if you see, you if you go see her, she if you can't see you, then you add me on WhatsApp. Those places when I call, so if you know say you need and where you live right now, because many people go use Nigeria number take dey WhatsApp. They would, you understand? I'm not there for that one. You understand me? If I didn't see your country number, I not get time to hook you where you there. If I not see the number, I not get time to hook you up, because some go use Nigeria number, some go use Italy number there on WhatsApp. They will say that they Germany, some will say that they Italy. They'll use German number take the WhatsApp, because I don't understand that kind of thing. Guy be me, I not get time for that kind of one, because whether na many na fake. You understand? They will say now that place they will not be some. They call you and they Germany. Which number be this? You go say you use the Italian number, take the WhatsApp. You use Ghana number, take the WhatsApp. All those are rubbish. I beg. If you be that kind of person, no bother. If you like coming out tomorrow, don't pick your call. If I say your call is too much for me, I block you, because I don't understand. Understand me? I don't understand. Not be when I don't give woman finish now woman, because men in a scam, men in a fake. Now woman when they want the shop, now they define. I beg. They need woman, they need woman, they need woman, they need woman. Their number, you say me they call you, okay, you say you get you did Germany, use the German number call, you go they use because they did WhatsApp, they call me for WhatsApp. I can't believe that. I know they believe that one. If you know say you did Italy, use your Italian line, take call. If you know say now, if you know use another number, take the WhatsApp, I not go accept them. Because me, I don't understand. Many go say that I did Germany here, but now when I feel they use for Italy, fine, then they use another. But as for me, I don't accept it. Because I don't really know whether I hear you dey, whether you use that one take the talk say you dey here, maybe for fine woman when you wanna go the talk of for now me. I know they could release that number. And before I go release that number, I go ask you many questions, because many people they lie. When you go ask, they will tell you say now so this one, now so that one. At the end, when you go ask them again, now another word they will tell you. No, they don't forget, because why? Now lie, now I make cannot remember what you first talk. As for me, I know they forget, you know. What you tell me, I understand, I know. What you tell me. So if I ask you again, you call the bend head go here, the bend head go there. I beg, I not get that time. You understand? If you just bend head go there, bend head go here, I don't know say you be fake. I don't know say na lie you dey lie. I don't know say you not serious. You understand? I don't know na be that. So if you dey call me, I fit not marry you. Before you know, I go block you. So not vex if I block you because you're not ready, you're not serious. Because you know if you tell me what finish, you can't go dey change at the end. I mean, you won't put for wahala be how I go put am. You understand? Because they don't see truth for many people mouth. La 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 fool their mouth. You know go feel they will tell you 100 words. When you go ask them again, now another thing they will talk. You will come be no. I know what made the woman call to say maybe na me and I call the lie for you, or na me and you call the lie for you. Understand? If me can tell you something about me, okay, let me ask of this also thing for this woman hand. You understand? I go wait till tell me now. I go tell you. Not be tomorrow rich now. He call ask you the same question. You come out to go the change her for her. You come be and say na me call the lie. Whereas I not forge matter tell her. Now wait till you be tell me now. I tell her. But if you be that kind of person, I beg, I don't need you for my platform. I don't need you. And if I catch you, say you be that kind of person, you not go hard me. You will say as I will tell you treat your fuck up because I not fit for problem. I not fit for wahala. You understand? Because some say not be so I talk and you not hear me well. Some go just tell you something finish. Okay, see. Oh. Later they will change them. You not hear me well. Maybe not be so I talk. Why I not go hear you well? You when they talk to me, I not hear you well. I hear you well. You know they pay me. I hear you. So no need for you to the change them for me. No need for you to come dey hide down or to come dey lie. No. I know they believe that kind of one. That one when you tell me so, let her be him. So that if na man, if na woman, I still tell one I want hook you up with you. Go know so okay. Now question when he answer, see. Maybe later, maybe no one ask you, and come they ask you again. Let your yes be yes, and let your no be no. You understand? I don't want lie. I don't want person to use one eye. They look me. I know they do. And if you're not ready, how about that to come my platform? You understand? So now be the truth. So as I tell you, do my hook up, now be that one. Before I hook you up, send me your full details, write everything for me. I go reply you, and I don't do free hookup anymore. If you are looking for free hookup, go front with many. You know if you go register finish for your Joy hand, you go say now Vera TV program, and you won't come find free. When you register there, stay there and let him hook you up. He or she stay there, let him hook you up. Not go register for there, finish, pay money, finish for there. You go come here, you go say now, I cannot hook you up. So people when you still they come, my people when I just get when they know me, when they still know say yes, I did do one. They still know as I tell you do, I know they fuck up, then you understand. So I go hook you up and I go there well. So if I not lie for me, you understand? Because I go put now for conference call, and I go talk, and introduce myself, and I greet each other before I go release, before we work reach where the number there, you know, before I go give you that number. So now be the thing. You know if you say and I say you can't do it because many people they bring that complaint, they come my platform. I don't need them. I don't want me to carry go that one platform finish. You come my platform, come they tell me what that one do you for the I beg go. I don't want here. I don't need them. Not still carry my own go sit to go they talk for that side. I beg. If you register there, you be man, you be woman, please stay there, let her hook you up. If you still register for another place, stay there, wait, make you hook you up. If you still come my platform, you ready, I hook you up. You understand? So not come my platform, call the fine free. One thought that they now so you don't register for this one. Now so you register for that one. Now so you deceive. Woman not give her. Hey, you need to have patience. I beg, I don't want. Understand? Whether I like the talk, whether I truth, now let God come on. Wait till I see tell them. I don't feel believe you, and I don't want hear. You have to stay there. Let it hook you up. Remember, if you be say the person want hook you up with, you know, sometimes still they be like that. If you say your picture give woman if you say you don't like her. Understand? Now wait till I they do. Not be person teach me. Now wait till I say I want they do, and I wait till I understand. You understand me? When you do something, you go deep to it. You go they know in and out of the business or in and out of anything you are doing. Anything doing at all is worth doing well. Okay? When you they do them all the time, every day, you can't go deep inside. Because now you first say you want to and go deep, not be waiting they teach you. You will can't even sabi pass who they teach. Okay? So they be like that sometimes. If you send your picture, give some women, they will tell them, the woman will say, you don't like this person. That is why you can see I don't force people. Okay? The woman will say, no, like also some men too. In my platform, I don't send many women picture, give man. The man will say, no, this woman ain't not like her. So say, now say put pin for nose, now say pack pin for ear, now so, but that one not really matter. That not say, you know, they make woman they responsible or you know they make woman serious. No, you understand me. But when you say you know like him, Now make me dey talk for my platform. I don't force men on women. I don't force women. I don't force man on woman. I don't force woman on man. No, I know they do. So if I send you that 2 pictures, you can't check the 2. No one you like for those 2. Or madam or oga, suffer waka go front. You understand me? So wetin I dey talk dey call us now. You as a man, I don't do am. I don't send woman picture give man. The man go say this person he no like am. He no like as e take dey, or he no get, understand. Some men go say they need woman when they get body. Some say they need woman when e slim, when e yellow. This that. But if na that kind yellow, black and blue, they fine. I don't have that time. You understand? Before if I send you picture, before it's okay. These two woman when you send for me, the 2 of them, you can't check am. You can't see say you no like am. You have to give me responsible and a good answer. Good talk wey be say make you not like am. If you see say you not like am, I not get problem with you. You understand? Now so it still be for some women. If you see sense of pictures of men go give woman, some women go stand and say you not get wetin they use and do. So they happen like that. So not say you just say hook up, you just send your picture. They say na I fed the see, you understand? You understand? They say na I fed dey see something, and go fit appreciate am before, you understand. So if you see am, if you like am, he go tell you say okay, this, you understand. Many dey like that. If I just send woman picture go give some men, they'll say okay, good, they like am. So still be for some women. If you just send some women men picture go give some women, they'll say yes, I like am, it's okay for me, this is that, you understand me. They'll just appreciate. They are two go just like each other. So that is what hookup is all about. Not because you have to say hookup, you just send woman picture, this one feel not like am, this one feel like am. You understand? I mean, say now that's why they send. If this one not like am, this one you feel like this one. If you not like this one, you feel like this one. If you not like this one, feel like this one. For that too. If you not come like for that too, you have to wait. That is your own business. You understand? So now be hook up. You know, if you expect they just send your picture, keep person go, you all like am once. Some they like am, some not they like am. Now be the truth. Many women for this Europe that they select. You understand? Why they select? I not blame them, because they need to look well. Say some go see am for eye, go say okay, this person go good. Although not before see eye, not be see person for eye, go just know so okay, everything you want just dey body. If you still get everybody, you understand, we all are human being. Person not just dey perfect too much. You still get somewhere for see the hero. You as a woman self still get where you for see the hero. You understand? You know if you say now everything you need for woman body be this, you go just get her before you define hook up. No, it don't work that way. Or now everything you need for man body you go complete before you go hook up with man. Or woman, you're not ready, now be that. So now be the truth. So your pictures, some feel like am, some not feel like am. You will stay, you understand? So many go come and I say you go here, and I say you did this one, no, you don't this one. You have to stay there, okay? If it is true, you really register. Many people still did this my platform. You understand? As I talk just now, I don't send many pictures of women, gives many men. You understand? Also, okay, this woman, I not like her. You go say I not like her. That two, when I really send for them, if you not like anyone for the two, I don't force them. I'm not the first one for you. No problem, you go dey my platform. If you can come on say you dey go another you wan go meet Mr. B or Mr. E, you will pay another money for her to hook you up. It's not free, you know. So many people just sit there like that. Some say settle down, find woman for me. This kind of woman I need. This kind of woman I need. So, you understand? If you come match when you be say you just send your picture, you go meet the right woman, go say yes, this kind of man when I need. I beg, conference us. You understand? Then I go conference now too with my 2 phone. I know you understand. You go to talk, you go to hear, you go to talk, you go to talk. Now go to hear each other. Now greet. So if you can't need the number, then when time goes on, I give you the number. Then when I go to talk from there, we're gonna say say I should be see it's okay. We dey talk everywhere good. Do you understand? Many boku like that. Many I not fit count. Many. Today I still get 2. As I talk when I want to call, because last week Sunday I was not on live video, so many people call. I also put my phone for silent, so I write them for WhatsApp, you know, because I not to get time like that. Understand me? So now be the thing. You understand? So like today now get people now one hook up. I know the two they take for live video like before again. Every Sunday now they do my hook up. If you know say you ready, follow me on my page. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go and check my YouTube channel. You will see and say yes, I don't the. Wow, you better not disturb me. Hello. Hello. Yeah, they hear you. Hello? Are you hearing me? Okay. Is that? Okay, I'm on live video. Yeah, you know, Abi. I did on live video, Abi. They watch me, Abi.
No, I'm not on live. Me not on live video now.
Me the okay. Talk to me. You say waiting. Where you dey? Na Germany you dey? Okay, you dey Germany here, Abi?
Yeah, I dey Germany, yeah.
You add me for WhatsApp. I know they do my hookup like that, you know. If you ready, you add me on WhatsApp. Send me your 3 different pictures, your name and your age. If you forget picking before, if you not forget, just write everything for me. For this number on WhatsApp.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay, I could do it now.
Okay, I'm on live video now. If I true, send them, then I go reply 3 different pictures. Oh, not the one when you for yours wear one cloth, you wear you for stand, you know, 3 different fine pictures. You understand? So now so.
Okay.
Okay, all right now, no problem. Take care. You understand? So now so. You send me your full details. You understand me? So not be to the koko. I not to get that time for koko now. I not to get that time. So if you be kind person when be say you ready, you serious. You add me for WhatsApp, then we talk. I always just come out for this my video face for my page for more people to know. You understand? Everybody different, not be everybody you know you want to understand. Different people will say okay, plenty people they will need this thing, you understand? Just that I'm trying my best. I don't feel help everybody, but at a time I will try my best. I just you reply and well, Joanne. Some people will use the platform. Not be waiting carry on come, not be on the face. Now another matter now they talk about. I don't have that time. When you comment rubbish comments on my platform, you can see. If I like, I pack all the makeup out. It's not your fucking business. If you comment rubbish comment when I don't understand, I softly block you. You know? Please, you when they write me, then I'm Mary be your name. Please, I don't reply now. Okay? It's after my live video. Now I go to reply. No, I don't feel reply anybody now, okay? So now so I take the do, you understand? So when you come platform, you dey person the platform they watch. If you don't like what the person do, you kindly leave. Okay? I don't have that time. When you comment rubbish comment on my platform, I don't want to say hey they curse. You understand? Everybody, but if you don't like my makeup as I just did, so I beg. Go another platform, go and look for who you define makeup when it's good or not good. If I like, I pack all of them, put that is not your fucking business. If you don't like it, kindly leave, you understand? So as I was talking, yeah, later I will reply you later. Now I don't have time for reply. As far your details is correct, then when I check and say your details correct, I will reply you. But if it's not correct, as I reach there, I block, you know. I block, I not get that time, so that I'll see people when be say they're ready, people when it's serious, I'll see them well. So that is it, you understand? So as I talk the constant, if you know say you're not ready, don't call my platform. Yes, for now is for hook up. Now they do for now. You understand? If you know say you're not ready, no bother to add no that number when I put for them, and that number say they use since. I not put on there for joke. I not put on there for say you dey find number they go, you dey find you want to call for social media, or you see number for her, you want to call her. Don't call me like that, okay? I have kids, I have husband, I get with many things to do. Don't use your own to disturb me. Okay, so now be the thing be this one. Hello. Understand? So you understand me? So now be that. So if you know say you ready, you serious, add me on WhatsApp then. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Whoa, na so no say tafia people understand. Now so they cause problem for social media. If one person your comment one thing, now all of the guys they comment your makeup. If you don't like my makeup like this, just kindly leave or I block you. I don't block one person, no. If you write rubbish comment on my platform, I block you. Since now your mama now be the best makeup artist, I be art name how they call her. Tell your mama may teach you where you can see. Everybody's learning every day. Who can say you can't perfect? Be perfect on your own, okay? I'm okay like this. I appreciate myself and I love myself for who I am. If you don't like it, kindly, okay, leave. Understand? Because now come social media call the comment rubbish, come social media call the right rubbish. Una not the show on our face. If it is you come the live video. You come make up since your man, your papa now be the perfect the now be the makeup art una the makeup pass. You understand? May you if now your papa your mama now be the makeup, now be the best makeup actress, you come outside your makeup come out. You understand? Make a fair kilo. If you write rubbish comment on my platform, you can see I don't have time. I swear for you, and I will fight. Cause you finish, I block you. Because that now don't be down and make me call you, understand? If I like I make up, if I like I don't make up, that is not your fucking business, okay? You understand me? So now the truth be that. So if you know say you ready, you serious, just add me on WhatsApp. Now wetin carry person come somewhere. If you don't like wetin person they talk or wetin person they do, you know now follow social media and wetin person wear, now wetin person put for eye, put for nose, now they follow up and down. No, if you don't like wetin person they talk, you comment. Don't comment rubbish on someone platform. No write. No, since you are the best makeup actress, so you can go another place, go on. Since now you be the best, now you make up as I know the papers to make. Now me they do it myself, so leave it like that. I like it, okay? Someone need to appreciate himself before somebody go appreciate him. I appreciate myself for who I am. So that is it. Oh God, look at this one. Hello? Hello, I did live video. Yeah. So our hookup program is still going on today. Not to still on the comment. Oh yes, invite your friends. So let's go there. Yeah. Let's go there. Yes. Yeah. Oh yes, yeah. So now so make I go check, yeah. My WhatsApp does still full again, I beg. I beg. I beg you, if you add me on WhatsApp, you don't put your picture, not bother, I not there for that, not disturb me. You ain't this pain. I don't need, as you can see. I no need people wey no serious. I no need them for my platform, okay? I no need them. If you know dey where I dey ask question well. I no dey for all those kind dis thing. Okay. So go send their details correct, so no go send correct. I no get that time, abeg. Just dey add me for WhatsApp, add. Fine, it's good to add me on WhatsApp, but no just write wetin I no understand. No. I no need am, okay? Abeg. Hello, happy new month, happy first week of the month, yeah. Right, man, so if you dey write, that will be later. I no fit reply on a message now, okay, as I said before. Now when they add me for WhatsApp, abeg, no na stop to add me for WhatsApp, abeg. You understand? If you add me, let your details, your full details correct. Some people won't correct for them, and why some not correct, abeg. I no get that time. No add me if your full details not correct. Don't you bother yourself, abeg. I no get that time, okay? Oh yes, okay. I no fit reply you now, that will be later. Those one wey said their details, full details now, don't you understand? So later I will reply your message, okay? So now, so abeg. You are not hearing me. My topic is hookup program. Hookup. Write am there. Good evening. I greet you all. Good evening. So it's about hookup program, okay? Hookup. So it's about hookup program for both men and women. You know, say ready. You dey Germany, France, Spain, Holland, America, and UK, US. You understand? Polish, Spain, Italy. You understand? Anywhere you know say you dey, but for Africa, if men dey wey you need, I still get for Africa too. So now be my topic for today is about hookup program. Hookup. So that is it. I know to spend long time today, you know. So who add me? You add me where you send me your full details. When you send me your full details, then I will reply you. You understand? So that would be better, because if you don't send me your full details, you don't write your name, you don't write your age, you don't write anything. How you say make I come say reply you? I don't feel use store your, you understand? Because my phone I dey store am with your name, so that if I want call you or you call me, I no go dey ask who be this, because people many. You understand me? People plenty well. So many go say, not be me and you just first talk this, because why? If you say you don't send me your name and you don't send me your full details, so if you don't send me your full details, I don't know where I want start. You understand? So I go abandon that one your own for one side. But if you send me your full details, I see your name, your age, where you live, you have kids before those. You understand? Your 3 different pictures is correct. I check the name. I will store your number with that name. Then so that if you call me or I want call you, maybe okay, I just check this my book. I say okay, your age just rhyme with this person, or I send your picture to her. He accepts, okay, you are okay, or you understand? Then hookup don't come with that. Understand? Depends on how you say they come like that. You understand me? You understand? So now so it will be. If you just rhyme like that, then you go. You are free to go. You understand me? You will just be easy like that. You understand? While some you see send and also okay, they don't need that. If I still need another one, or the age. You understand? Like my women now will say the age they need. You understand? Depends on how the age to be. So would they like maybe 38, you understand? So say no, they don't need them. They need maybe like 40, or if some say all those small boys, they know they respect all those kind of things. They don't understand. They need who see senior there. You know, no some say na because of money na im make am, some say na because of document, you understand. Many of our women dey complain like that to me, understand me. So some say dem no need like that again, dem need one wey get document, so that if dem wan settle down, one day together, everybody know say e get, why some say I love you, say dem don get the document and run dem dey, of which is happening, understand. So like women when I get for my platform, dem say abeg na from 40 something up na im dem need, dem no need am from 28 30 down, dem no need am. So e dey be like that, understand me. Depends on how the age take am, e go go like that, as it dey go, understand. The age take be as it go, na go na im be. So understand me. Not easy say I don take you. So many people dey wey be say get one wey come say he don do so person platform for how many years. Yes, it's like that. But thank God for my own, I no dey rake, I no dey platform. Say no mind am, that is left for you. You understand me? Nobody go fit talk like that. Say I don spend almost 8-7 months for the platform, no fit me. No dey. You understand? Why I dey do am some wey dey happen like that someday. I go send the pictures. Like one of my brother when I hook up, it's not last 2 months. Yeah, this Tuesday. You understand me? If I fair hook you up with woman, you say you don't like, I have to stay back. That's cool. You understand? You say you don't like her because I don't have right to force woman on you. Later you say this is Vera today program, this is what she did. No. If I send you woman picture, you check am, you not like am, you stay. As far as you don't do my platform, don't register, you dey one side first. You understand? So people wey be say I never hook up, I'll still hook them up. Why some go appreciate at that time? Why some say this is the right woman? Why some say this is the right husband? And as I see they do women too. If you be woman, I still hook you up with man, you not ready, I'll still put you for one side. Because people still different. I have many people to attend to. I have many people when still they come. Understand? My number there, people they call me every day. Just that last week I just want to connect my phone. I just want serious, I say I went and last week something I'm not fit. So I just put am for today. And like people will see they write me now. I beg, let your message, let everything I tell you complete. Not complete. Not say I don't send you message. Some people like I send you message and I call you. If you like, call me. I see all the look your call. I don't go pick because I don't want disturb. That means you are not serious. If you say, I watch your video, when you watch my video, you go if you listen, you go know what I talk about it. Before you call me, you have to do it. Go and say yes, I greet you, Jare, happy Sunday. You go do as I say talk and say, you watch my video, not me go tell you what to do. Because if you listen, you go hear what I talk, you do exactly what I say. When I got there, I still say, you don't send me, even though I know the person I spam with your number, or you don't send me the details, you can't call me. I send you message, you never reply me, I check them. You understand? Because when people say, I don't send you message, I send you details, I will come check my phone, I will say, hold on. I will enter my WhatsApp, I will check on which shirt, which cloth you wear, you will describe, I will come check and some. You know, I don't catch many of that. Why some go day, when I will reach out, I say, okay, no problem. Hold on. I will say, okay, later I will reply. I will really reply. Send out the one when I get. When I check my phone, check my book, see the one wey go reply. Depends on the age, where you dey. Maybe you feel all day lucky, feel be where you dey for the same country there. You are so lucky. You understand? I will hook you up direct. You understand me? So why some go just lie, they disturb, they call. Please, I don't have that time. Calling. No, I have many things to do, I not too much get. I not say I the same one. I not call me. No, you can call me. Hello, I greet you. You will call me, but not be to just the call. I have time to pick up. Understand me? I not feel you call me, borrow this one, call me, borrow this one, call me. Which time I not get time for myself, because of my family, So everything is small. I only just come out for people to know. I see they do she see they understand. But if you add me for WhatsApp, send your full details. I beg. Not done with the call. Some people will just they call. You call once and not pick your call. You call twice and not pick. You have to stay. You wait first. If I dey less busy, I can call you back or I write you message. That would be better than you just the call. No. I'm not fit. My number, put my number there for call. Doesn't mean that you can call me anytime you like, just like that. No. Send me your details. I must surely reply you. I check your age, I check my book, check my phone. I will send that for you. If I want to call you, if I call you, you not pick, send me voice note if you are busy, or I send you voice note. You understand? So that's why I say they do because many people too like to disturb. No. You don't work that way, no. That is it. So if you not say ready, so I know the people I know the people for my live video. I will so round up, you understand. So now be the thing. So it's all about hookup program. So every Sunday now until they do my hookup program. By special grace of God, next week Sunday, I'll still be on live video for the hookup program. For now, it's about hookup. Maybe later, you know, I'm also do this and that. Maybe later I'll change to a different topic, but now it's just for hookup first. So I'm saying I don't get another topic. You are only the one that will rule my platform. Anyhow, like I rule my platform, so I have rule and regulation on my platform. I say I don't want to pick up, nobody will ask me why you don't pick up. If I say this how I do it, nobody will ask me. Hey, you don't have topic. I don't do apropos topic, you know. If I want to come out with another thing, it's for responsible something, and maybe I want to be selling something online, or I want to be advertising anything. I have my own plan, okay? So that is it. If you don't like my hookup for now, it's only hookup. You can go to another platform where they are doing saga. They are doing Yoruba. Please, I don't have that time, okay? My own time, I do my things. I do, the thing I do is responsible something, not for shaky. No, you can see, I will do on just for this hookup. As my power carry my so I do not. Because after all, when we first say, hey, you go do hey, you no go do so I'm still doing it. You understand? Many people say she still do this hookup. Yes, although it's not easy. Many people think hookup is easy. Sometimes it's not easy, my dear. Who no go, you know, take it when the hookup pass, no as road fast, you know. As they say me that parable, am I right? Yeah. So now understand me. So for now it's only hookup for my brothers and sisters. Now they do Vera TV program. This is me, one and only Vera TV program, not complete two. Complete two. In one day, let me. So now I be the thing. You understand me? You understand me? So now the truth be that it's only one and only Vera TV program. You understand me? So if you don't like it, you can go to another platform. It's done by force, it's done by fight, it's done by quarrel. No. After my number is there, people call me every day because I don't have that time. But when you call me, if I have chance, I'm less busy. You can pick your call and we'll talk normal. You understand? I don't want whoa. So you just the kind matter go on that somewhere. So you tell them, we'll call you, so okay, this is how I do my whole call program. They will tell you, yes, yeah, I have to do it, no problem, I hear you. When time goes on, they would like to do that kind of person. I bet you can see this my phone. He will block. If I just say I know they waste time, I'll block you because even for many, you understand me? I'll stop to block you. I don't care except you have another friend that is going to have me on WhatsApp. Because if I block you, not people add me for that WhatsApp people. Now so I dey go because I don't want you me still come back on they disturb me because I have important people to attend to. I have serious people when I go attend to. You understand? Many people call different places, you understand? So if I just check and just say that I'll just keep on and go like that. So I will so round up. I don't have too much of time. I will so round up. So for those people when they add me for WhatsApp, when I rest tomorrow, then I will add you. I will reply your message. I will reply your message. So if I reply if I say it's there, I send her for you. Or picture when you send for me, I don't like her. So I will send you picture. We'll tell them say send another one. Go with problem to it. So they will you say send picture. They will they fear. Yeah, why you go dey fear? Okay, you say you need something. This is how I do my platform. You cannot tell me how I will run my platform. No, because that is how I do it. If I not send your picture give woman, how woman I just dey carry a woman number they give you when you dey call her. No. If that woman call dey insult you, you no go talk say hey better TV program go hook you up with person wey you no understand. So the lady call the cost you. Oh yes, right, because you deserve it. You understand? That is how I said send your 3 different pictures. If I send her for the woman, if you like her, you sef like her. That one go comot. Let me say you no send your picture, you just expect me. Let me just carry person picture number they give you. No, you don't work that way. You need to first see the lady. The lady need to first see you for picture first. Okay, this one person wey she wan hook me up with, you understand me? So now im better pass. Why some people go say make dem send picture, whether you say you get wetin I wan use your picture take do? I wan use am collect money for internet, abi I wan put am wey people no. Why some my reason na some na bad because they wan do bad. Na make me you do anyhow for my platform abeg o. As you see me so, you no fit go shit for another place say na my platform come shit put. No, you can see that one don dey do am dem don dey na your luck because no fit come my platform finish you go come do shishi like tell the woman because that is the only reason why I see say many go see me dem see get one man no be even dem don reach for like that send me picture go dey ask the picture wetin picture come still do for inside you dey ask me wetin picture that means you didn't watch my class you didn't watch my program wey say you watch if you watch am you for hear when I say send your 3 different pictures for me to send it to the lady and I will send the lady own to you if I don send if you send your own for me I don send the lady own for you shey you go ask me where the woman picture na because some people don know how to talk and I see people for my platform if you want to talk I go put you down because I no need all those stuff I don't need it you understand so if you send your picture to the woman make no send the woman picture come give you no go vex you go vex because you want you I wan hook you up with whether you fine whether you bend waist like this whether na cripple make you see am first you understand so na make me need the picture no be for another thing no go tell me use your picture do my thing only why they say if you do anyhow for my platform you no go like am or I hook you up with a woman come go dey charge the woman dey collect money I no go like am because no be that one me and you agree on you agree on say okay you need woman wey you wan settle down with you need woman wey you and I wan gather again na make me hook you up with that lady so na only that one for the talk apart from that I don show people pictures on my platform I don say hey this one no na my brother wey you wan meet woman be this no na my sister wey you wan meet woman be this no you understand e no good like that many people don't like it you understand so that is why many people call me here I need so women I need you understand I need man I need woman I need go like that I don show people pictures on my platform say na woman be this it's for my WhatsApp that's why I say when you need it just add me on WhatsApp I make my hook up on WhatsApp apart from WhatsApp I don do it on Facebook when they ask say how you do your hook up so na WhatsApp na me go talk I will tell you how I take dey do I will tell you how you go take settle me first I go give you that contact if you no gree before we go waka through can reach where that contact dey if you don allow like that brother kindly leave o abeg no be by force no be quarrel no be fight we are not quarrel so na so I take dey do my hook up it's not for free anymore because free many people don serious I no be serious they say after all but when you know say yes you do something you still serious say yes okay you understand not really serious but say okay yes I serious okay yes I wan do this thing like this you go do am because say you ready but when you not ready when you say na free go say after all na free after see am before na that idiot one kind like that wey be say you see something free at the end you still go dey start so abeg I no want people say I hook am one good one person I don't want me woman say I hook am thank God nobody dey fit talk that one if I hook you up you go use yourself go dey do shishi you know when women dey fall in love you as a woman go fall in love come dey hide some things that is best for you later don't bother to call me don't disturb me that I say if I hook you up you hide anything for me I dey tell them now you know you cannot call me later in the day and tell me yeah this is Vera you are the one that hook me up because I tell you wetin no say no clear for I let me know I will sort it out 50-50 now I dey stay I no dey stay 60-40 no 50-50 you do am not like I go let you know the truth wetin you tell me I go tell them say see wetin you tell me then that one go talk with na truth I go know if no be truth me sef I go still know say why you come dey lie for me you understand so 50-50 if you do wrong I tell you no be so better chapter close so far you no like you come fall in love Vera TV program you don report am like that one the one woman do for Canada one time after you don fall in love then she don after that she don come we are only two we are okay like that if you see wetin you see if you call me I go use you shine you be man you be woman I go use you shine because I tell you before not talk say I not tell you I tell you say if you be say the man wey call you do shishi like tell you no clear let me know I go know if I say I do the issue between us if you come hide am later you come say I don't know is love is this my dear sister na so I go listen but I no go talk with you if you too talk I go cut off your ear you are na woman suppose talk yourself out you understand why some really come for true love why some don come for true love you understand I dey do this hook up doesn't mean that I know everybody's heart no na only my mind I know what I'm trying to do if you know say you need you serious na make me dey put am down it doesn't mean say I don't know everything and out or I open your mind check and say see wetin you go do see wetin no go do na make me still tell you as a woman or man you see some kind thing not clear for your eye let me know and I go know as I go take talk with as I take you understand that is it. So I greet you, my people. I appreciate you all. So I'll also round up now. Thank you very much. This Vera TV program. Please, I put my link here to YouTube. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that will be on Sunday again. So it will be on Sunday again. I greet you all. So I greet you all too much. I want to round up now. So if you see my video, here with I talk, do it as I said, so that there will be no more too much of talk or block. I will block. I know the lie, the block person. Well, you work with that. I will block even for Facebook, for make what I don't like. I block for them forever. So that is how I do this Vera TV program. I greet you and appreciate you all. Thank you very much. We will meet again on Sunday. Please, if this is your first time, please follow me on my page, like my page, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are still on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. I greet you all. I appreciate you all. We meet again on Sunday. I think so. So I greet you. All right. Meet again on Sunday. Thank you, guys. I greet all my friends. I greet all my viewers. I greet all my fans, my rich fans. I greet you, appreciate you. We'll meet again on Sunday. Thank you. I'm about to go now for rest, you know. So I not to come out to them. People say, we'll not stay. I'll just manage to come out today, you know. All right. Bye.